it's me Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys, which I'm really excited about because if you can read by the title of this video, I'm finally going to unbox my iPad that I've had for a couple months now. I got this in September of 2017, so I'm finally now going to open my iPad for you all. And just, take a look at it. Plus, I also want to put the case on it because I finally got a case for it. That's the main reason why I didn't open this. I cannot use electronics if they do not have a case on it. I just can't. I can't. There's not something really protective on a electronic and stuff like that. I cannot use it. I would feel like I would drop it and then it would be done. And so I have a phone case on my iPhone. I have a nice kind of bulky case on there. And it's very nice that my tripod is able to hold it because I have like such a bulky case on it. I also have a case like on my iPod and stuff like that. Like it's like, what is it? It's like a 3-piece kind of case. But my iPhone one is like rose gold, not like the super hot pink because it's matching my iPod because my iPod is like hot pink. So, yeah, I did get a case for Christmas, which if you have not seen my Christmas like techie haul, it's like YouTube equipment and then I got like tech stuff. Plus I do show in that video what my iPhone case looks like because it matches my iPad case. So if you want to go check out that video so you guys can get an idea of what my kind of theme is for my electronics and stuff, then yeah, I will be sharing that with you guys. So my theme is definitely like a pinky rose gold theme for my electronics, except for my iPod because unfortunately it's not rose gold. But my iPhone is rose gold. I have the iPhone 7, so that's really cool. I've always wanted this phone, so I'm really happy with it, and the case is like so adorable. I still need to get for it, I need to get a pop socket. I need to get one of those, and I know Target has like a matching kind of pinky rose gold one, so I'm gonna be on the hunt for that one next. So definitely gonna be looking for that. But I'm so excited to open my little iPad with you guys because I've never had an iPad before. I used iPads back when I was in high school. I went to like 2 different schools. I went to like a vocational school. It was like a school that's like that prepares you for like certain careers and stuff. And so I had used iPads like in the classroom and stuff because that's what they used because there wasn't enough computers. So that's the only time I really used iPads was in that class. So now I finally have my own little iPad. So I guess I should tell you which one this is. Does it tell me like what exact one this is? It's 32 gigabytes. It just says it has it's just the iPad with the Wi-Fi on it. But anyways, it is this is what it looks like. I believe it's 9 inches, I think. Most likely. So I'm taking everything out of the box. So it does have the little cable cord. Oh, look how sweet it is. Oh, how cool is that? So super cool. If you hear my brother in the background, he's running back and forth. Oh my goodness. In here, these are the instructions to it, I think. What's in here? There's something in this little paper guy. Not sure what it is. What's in here? Oh, it's the instructions. Plus, you got some more little Apple stickers, and then these are like the instructions, I'm guessing, on how to use the iPad. So that's what it looks like. Okay, there's the here's the little adapter for the iPad. And then it also has the little cable cord, so I can charge this little guy up. I am so excited to use this. I think that's all that's in here. It's just this big cardboard piece. But anyways, this is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna turn it on. I wonder if it can turn on or if I'm gonna need to plug it in. Do I need to plug it in? I think I need to plug it in. I don't think it's charged to be on. So I'm gonna I'm gonna put this on the charger. There it is. There he goes. It's going on. Evan is just like having tons of fun. Oh, there it goes. So here's the iPad that I do have. This is by the brand YOUMAKER. I got this off of Amazon. I think we get like all the cases that I have for all my electronics and stuff, like my iPhone, my iPod, and now my iPad, all from Amazon. And they've always been super nice. Set it up. So English, United States. I have to put my I have to put in my internet. I don't know my internet. I literally am that person that has not given my Wi-Fi like a specific name, so like if I know how to get onto the internet and stuff, like I know the name. I just have whatever is on the router of my that's what I am. I only have like the router, like I just have the password of the router and stuff. Like that's how I am. I'm like, cause I can't have all these things. Oh, I can't. I'm lucky I remember how to get into certain things. So it is like, it's crazy how all this stuff is. The password going in, so it should be connecting. I think what I'm mostly gonna do is use this for like TV watching and stuff like that, and probably like putting like my favorite shopping apps on here for the most part. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna use it for yet. So that's, I'm setting this little guy up. Alright, so I'm back. The iPad is all set up now. So, just really cool. So I have my case. Right here, that's by YOUMAKER from Amazon. So I'm going to open this up and put it on. I've been really loving rose gold, so I just want everything rose gold. And I have noticed there's like 2 different tones of rose gold. Like there's like a pinky rose gold, and then like there's like rose gold like coloring. Either way, both are great. Both are amazing. So we're gonna figure out how to put this case on. So there's like a protective, this little screen thing comes off because it has already a little case. Oh. Alright, how do I do this? Oh. Okay. So there's that. And then this little guy goes in first. Oh, so I have to put it on the frame first. Okay. I hope you fit. I hope you fit on this. Did I buy like the right size of this case? That's what I need to know. Because it fits in here. I don't know. I'm gonna try to I gotta figure out how to put this case on first. I'll be back. Alright, so after a little bit of a struggle, I finally got the case on the iPad. It fits, but this is a super hard case to work with. It fits. I got the right, I made sure that I picked out the right size and everything of this case. It's just that it is very hard to put on. Like, it has, like, this silicone, I guess, is very thick and not very flexible at all. But I got it on. It's a 2-piece little screen casing. It has the front case, the pink part that you put on top of the front, and then this is the back right here. And it has a cute little flip out stand, which I am so excited for and to be using. So cool, guys. Ugh, I'm in love. I cannot wait to start using this and putting it on and stuff like that. So that's what I got going on. It's so cool. I don't know if you guys can see it, but how cool is the coloring? So yeah, that's my little unboxing. If you guys want to see either a what's on my iPhone or a what's on my iPad video in the future, let me know. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. And let me know if there's anything else you want me to talk about tech-wise, or, you know, how I like edit photos or do video editing and stuff like that, since I only film with an iPhone 7 and stuff like that. So let me know what you guys like to see next from me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, guys, have a beautiful and magical day, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Bye, guys.